I'm so tired and I wanted to prepare something easy or quick today, and this is what I decided to prepare. Trust me, very easy to make. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. So please do not make it the last time of visiting. Without wasting much of your time, let's start with today's activity. So I have my water on fire, and as you can see, it has boiled very well. I'm just going to add my indomie or noodles to it. Okay, boil this for just a minute and then we are good to go. I don't want it very soft, and trust me, it doesn't taste good to me if it is very soft or very soft. Okay, so we are just going to boil this for just a minute and we are good to go. I decided to add some olive oil to it and then allow it to be in the water for a minute, as I said earlier. Please follow us on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes and you will love it everywhere. Now it is ready. I am just going to strain the water from it and then we are good to go. So that is the strainer I used. Okay, as you can see, it looks so beautiful already and it would taste good. Now put that aside, add some oil in your pan or your cooking pot, add your eggs and then you are good to go. I actually don't remember how many eggs I used. Okay, so please use any quantity of your choice. If you want to use one, you are good to go. 2, 3, any quantity of your choice, you are good to go. So we want this to be like scrambled. Okay, so we are making some scrambled eggs here. Now as you can see, it looks so good and dry already, so it means it is ready for us to add the next ingredients. I'll go ahead and add my carrot and then onions. Please do well to add any vegetables of your choice and you are good to go. I always want my onions to be in a bigger cut. Okay, so that is why they look very big. That is how I want it. Now give it a stir and then wait for a while, then I will introduce the next ingredient. Oh my goodness, the flavor here is so amazing. So what I added is the seasoning that when you buy the indomie or the noodles, they add to it. Okay, that is what I added. Please, I beg you, if you don't like it, don't add it to yours. I like it, that is why I've added it. Okay, I don't want anyone to come after me and say, hey, stop eating that, I will come after you too. Yeah. That's just by the way, but don't do that. We have different tastes and also just allow people to enjoy what they prefer to have, okay, in peacefully. That is just by the way. So after I added the seasoning, I added my cayenne pepper, I give it a stir, and then I've added my cooked noodles. So I will give that a stir as well and then wait for some few minutes and then we are good to go. Please do not forget to like this video, share to others, and also follow or subscribe for more videos. I will be very happy to see your comments in the comment section. We will add sardines to this indomie or noodles recipes. Should you don't want the sardines, you can just go ahead and omit it. Okay, you can add corned beef or you can add your tuna flakes as well. It adds some taste and flavor to your noodles and it takes it to the next level. So give it a stir. With this recipe, our main motive is not to mash the sardines, but we just want to chew. Now we will go ahead and then add our green onions, scallions or spring onions, anyhow you will call it. Immediately you add this, it means your noodles is ready. So it is actually ready. There is no fire under it and I have added that. We will just wait for some few seconds and we will serve the food. This was so nice. Everyone fell in love with it. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you are going to try this recipe on the day that you feel lazy or you feel like not doing anything or tired. Yes, thank you so much and see you in the next one. You can't afford to miss it.